the whistle, here comes the train. Hear the whistle coming down the track, the rumbling of steel. Hear that train, hear that train, here it comes. That engine's firing away, the horn is blowing. The crossing arms are falling, here she comes. Here comes that train. Here she comes. Let me tell you a story, how that locomotive made this country. She kept rolling in, bringing in supplies. She's been here a long, long time. Here comes that train. Here she's coming rolling in. Here comes that train. That train would be nothing if it wasn't for the work that she brings. Here comes that train, rolling in every morning, every evening. Here comes that train, here she comes, here she goes.